Wale ke Yesu ni manu e dio kita. Iye lu e lo mama. Obi be no be betan. Agbo yo ko are mama. Amen. Eyi wan jo ki ko are mama. Amen. Kebi no don le be ni. E ona wa ni mi Yesu e. Osuru be nsi ni den. Yo gi me ni Yesu e. Chubula. Yo ko no yo le ya ni no. Iki me yo lo. Ya wa ni le ya ni go.
Dodo. Susie Agbor.
Oh, that's right.
No, this is not a film trick. This is the only available water resource available in the Isaba community. It is not a film trick. This is the only place they get water for cooking, for drinking, for bathing, for washing. This is Isaba community. This is why Ndibo and the rest of the world must rally in support the Igbo Aid, powered by Unify Igbos Now. Yes, we must come out in mass to help our indigent communities. This is Isaba our Igbo people. We must come and unite together. Donate now and save lives. Igbo lives matters. Igbo life matters.